A separate lane for the Tesla company appeared on the border between Mexico and the United States. As Bloomberg reports, the special checkpoint helps the company's Mexican suppliers deliver components faster, as it significantly speeds up border crossing. Tesla agreed on the allocation of a separate line with the authorities of the Mexican state of Nuevo Leon. It borders Texas, where the company's new plant opened in the spring. By the way, Tesla previously moved its headquarters, which was previously located in California, to Texas. During peak hours, drivers can spend up to 25 minutes at this border, while a dedicated checkpoint cuts waiting times to less than 10 minutes. Currently, 6 companies are working with Tesla, which produce their products in Nuevo Leon. These are APG Mexico, Enflex Corporation, Faurecia, and ZF. The number of suppliers from Mexico is likely to grow. It should be noted that Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas is expected to be the main assembly site for the Cybertruck pickup truck and the semi-electric tractor. The first European Gigafactory was also opened in the spring of this year. She was located in Germany.